Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Downspout Extensions is probably one of the most overlooked home improvement products, yet it plays a crucial role in protecting your foundation from costly water damage. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing the right downspout extension for your home, ensuring your investment safeguards your property from water-related issues and increases its lifespan. Number 5. Suncast Rain Gutter Splash Block. It's so easy to install. No anchoring is needed, just place it where you need protection from water damage. Say goodbye to washouts. It effectively prevents soil erosion near your downspouts, keeping your landscaping looking great. This is built to last. The resilient polycomposite material resists chipping and cracking for long-lasting protection. It works in any weather. Rain or shine, it provides continuous protection against water damage and soil erosion. It's lightweight and the perfect size. At just 1.3 pounds, it's easy to handle and perfectly sized for ideal functionality. Installation is a breeze. This convenient design eliminates the need for any anchoring. Guard your home. It helps protect your foundation from water damage, ensuring its longevity. What we like. It's incredibly easy to install, you don't even need to anchor it. Its durable material resists damage, ensuring long-lasting protection. This makes it perfect if you're looking for a low-maintenance solution that will withstand any weather conditions. If you value convenience and durability, this is the Downspout Extension for you. What people say. Installation was a breeze, and the 6-pack provides ample coverage for multiple downspouts. I've noticed a significant reduction in erosion in the areas where I've placed them. They did divert the water away from my home and dirt onto the concrete or the driveway like a charm. They do what intended. They are sturdy and don't move. They are sturdy and a heavier-duty plastic material. They fit great under our gutters. And when we need to mow, they are light enough to easily pick them up to move them out of the way. Number 4. Amerimax Green Downspout Extension. It diverts rainwater away from your home's foundation, protecting it from potential water damage. Simply connect it to your downspout for effective drainage. This versatile extension fits most downspouts, both 2x3 and 3x4 inch sizes. No need to worry about compatibility issues. Its flexible design allows for easy bending and shaping to fit your specific needs. You can even bury it for a clean look. It comes in various colors to match your home's exterior seamlessly. Choose the perfect color to complement your style. Made from durable vinyl, it extends from 25 to 55 inches, providing the length you need. It's built to last. This extension is simple to install and connect to your existing downspout system. Protect your home quickly and easily. What we like. Its flexible design allows for easy bending and shaping to fit your specific needs. It's compatible with a wide range of downspouts and extends to various lengths. This is ideal if you need a versatile solution that can adapt to different configurations and lengths. If you need adaptability and a custom fit, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits easily over the gutter downspout and stays in place. Very easy to direct around plants. Easy to connect to downspout and stays in place. Works exactly how I wanted it to. Number 3. Amerimax Downspout Extension. It diverts rainwater away from your home's foundation, protecting it from potential water damage. Simply connect it to your downspout for effective drainage. This versatile extension fits most downspouts, both 2x3 and 3x4 inch sizes. It's designed for a seamless and secure connection. Its flexible design allows for easy bending and shaping to fit your specific needs. The corrugated design makes it easy to bury, connect, and bend. It comes in a variety of colors to match your home's exterior, ensuring a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing look. Choose the color that best complements your house. Made from durable vinyl, it extends from 25 to 55 inches. It's built to last and handle various drainage needs. This extension is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. It seamlessly integrates with your existing downspout system. What we like. Its flexible design allows for easy bending and shaping to fit your specific needs. It's compatible with a wide range of downspouts and extends to various lengths. This is ideal if you need a versatile solution that can adapt to different configurations and lengths. If you need adaptability and a custom fit, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits easily over the gutter downspout and stays in place. Very easy to direct around plants. Easy to connect to downspout and stays in place. Works exactly how I wanted it to. Number 2. 4601 Downspout Extension. This innovative downspout extension offers a simple solution to common drainage problems. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting durability. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions. You can trust it to perform reliably for years to come. The sleek black finish seamlessly blends with your home's exterior. It's both stylish and functional. Installation is quick and straightforward, requiring minimal tools or expertise. Anyone can easily install it themselves. It efficiently extends your downspout, directing water away from your foundation. This helps prevent water damage and keeps your home protected. This is the new standard in downspout extensions. It's a must-have for homeowners who want reliable and stylish drainage solutions. What we like. I don't have enough information on this product to write a promotion. More details are needed to highlight its key features and benefits. What people say. Product was easy to install. I had to cut it to fit my downspout, but it was well marked where to make the cut. The extension piece was easy to snap into place. The flexible tubing on the piece that connects to the downspout made that easy to do. My installation is not through my garden, so I was happy to see that the extension lay flat on the concrete. Materials appear to be sturdy. It is easy to step over. Used to funnel sump pump discharge away from house to the driveway. Does the job. Number 1. 4-pack gutter downspout extensions. Tired of water damage around your house? These extensions offer superior protection and are built to last. They're easy to install and will keep your home safe from water damage. It's made from durable PP material, not cheap PE. This means it resists heat, corrosion, and fading, even in harsh weather. Plus, it can handle up to 500 pounds. The innovative ladder design prevents water and dirt from collecting. The 15-degree slope ensures efficient water flow, directing it away from your home. These extensions effectively divert rainwater, protecting your foundation and landscaping. Save money on costly repairs by preventing erosion and water damage. Installation is a breeze. Simply level the ground, place them, and secure with the included stakes. They're designed to withstand even the heaviest downpours. You get 4 durable extensions, each measuring 16.3 L x 8.3 W x 2 H inches, along with 8 sturdy plastic stakes for secure installation. What we like. Made from high-quality, weather-resistant material, it's built to last. The unique design prevents waterlogging and ensures efficient drainage. It's also quick and easy to install. If you prioritize durability, efficient drainage, and a simple installation process, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The original downspout extensions that came with the house finally succumbed to the weather, and I used these to replace them. I like the green color, and the push spikes that anchor the open end are easy to push in with your thumb and seem to hold the units in place real well. These are the right length for my house. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.